So, if you've played Apex for a while, you'll probably remember the Chaos Theory Collection event, which ran in March 2021. During this event, in pubs, numerous ring flares would spawn around the map. This significantly changed the ways you rotated and thought about taking fights, as a ring flare could cut off your path. However, a lot of people probably don't know, but ring flares were leaked as a tactical ability for Blisk, which would allow him to create these flares on command. While these abilities are likely to be changed if Blisk ever releases, it seems like this event may have been a testing ground for a ring flare ability. What do you think? Would an ability that modifies the ring be interesting to see in the game? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for better heirloom luck in your Apex packs.